Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Sarah binti Muhammad Zaidi, number matric DF220-135. For introduction, pavements are the main component of a roadway infrastructure. The type of repair is depending on the damage caused by the pavement. The aim of this study was to establish the road critical index, which is PCI, throughout the road. PCI is calculated by subtracting deduction points for each distress based on the kind and severity of the distress. There are three objectives. The first one is to justify the road's criteria. The second one is carry out the pavement condition index, which is PCI, and lastly to offer the technique of the maintenance or repair required to enhance the PCI.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Thaqif Ahmad Hashim. My matric number is DF220175 and I will present about the literature review. Now I will explain about the literature review. First of all, I will explain about the difference between flexible and rigid pavement. Flexible pavement is made from numerous layers and tend to bend when tire pressure exists on the pavement, while rigid pavement are mainly made from Portland cement concrete. Based on what Prof. A. Gupta said, steel on rigid layer support the weak layer, shows why rigid pavement are more stable than a flexible. Second, there are several factors that cause failure on the pavement. Especially from Paving Kumar 2004 said that failure on pavement was because of traffic loading that caused cracking, poor drainage that detached from top and lower layer, also poor of amount of clay and overheating that reduce the properties of a bitumen. I also found that two types of maintenance distress, which are preventative maintenance, such as crack sealing that delay adulteration and also recycling. For structure, patching is one of the common maintenance as well as overlay and reconstruct. Lastly, on the literature review, we confirmed that use of PCI index. PCI index tests need to do to overcome distress and evaluate necessary route also as treatment for a pavement. The pavement condition rating basically start from excellent, where it have a good base and layer of pavement, until it came to the worst one, which is fail.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hanif bin Hudayat. My method number is DF220197. So I will present about methodology. For research methodology, first of all, we overview the project task and discuss with our group. After that, we identify the study area, inspection and collect data, calculation PCI and obtain the graph, and lastly, we do a final report together. For study area, we choose Jalan Parit Sempadan Laut, Bait Hajar Batu Pahat, Bihudal Kazim. After that, we dividing the pavement to 10 sections. This section measure 100 meter to condition examined. We use the technique systematic random. By evenly spacing the sample unit to be examined throughout the section and selecting the first one at random. For collect data, we use the flexible pavement survey sheet. The sample is examined by measure the distance type and severity in accordance with the PCI distress manual. This sheet is used for each sample. After that, we calculate the pavement condition index. First of all, we must measure the density by determining the type of distress and its severity level by inspecting a sample of the unit. After that, the deduct value are determined from the deduct value curve for each distress type and severity. Then, the sum of each individual deduct value is used to calculate the total deduct value. After computing the TDV, which is total deduct value, the correction curve can be used to calculate the correct deduct value. If any individual deduct value exceed the CDV, when calculating the CDV is set to the highest individual deduct value. CDV means corrected deduct value. And lastly, we get the PCI by 100 minus CDV to calculate the PCI.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Anisha binti Zulkarnain, matrix number DF220179. I will talk about result and analysis from the data sample 1 that we collect from observation at the site. Firstly, we need to calculate maximum allowable number of deduct. So the formula is M equal to 1 plus 9 divided by 98 multiplied by 100 minus HDB. HDB is highest deduct value. So number 2 is we need to get deduct value in descending order, which is the deduct value must be more than 2. Number 3, select the deduct value from the maximum allowable of deduct. Number 4, we need to calculate the maximum corrected deduct value that we find from the figure 3.2, which is we need to calculate the total deduct value. The deduct value must be greater than 2. Number 5, determine the pavement condition index, which is PCI is equal to 100 minus CDV maximum. Number 6, get the pavement condition based on the PCI value. For the example, at the data sample 1, based on the rating PCI value of 62, this section of pavement is fair condition. Lastly, calculate the average of PCI. So based on the data sample that we get from the observation at the site, the average of PCI is 68.6%.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Baiduri Batrisha binti Asfawani. My matric number is 220121. So, I will present about discussion. Based on our data, the road average PCI number is 68.6%, with section in poor condition, fair condition in sample 1, and satisfactory in sample 2, 3, and 4. Urgent maintenance is need for some section, but routine maintenance can improve the road's condition. No reconstruction is necessary. 4.1 Discussion on maintenance method to improve PCI. Maintenance helps slow pavement deterioration by extending its lifespan and restoring service. Techniques include reinforced, durable, and public accessible pavements, as well as reconstruction, recycling, and restoration. 4.2. The Pavement Condition Index PCI measures the distress in a surface road pavement, ranging from 0 to 100. It evaluates maintenance program, effectiveness and pavement performance. The site network has a good PCI rating, indicating average pavement needing upgrading. 4.3. Suggestion treatments for types of distress. Data shows low cracks in longitudinal and transverse, cracks with minor spelling and no FOD potential. If not filled, cracks have a mean width of less than quarter inch. Filling can fix this crack by applying a crack filler, which enters the subgrade to the cracks and levels the edge to prevent moisture from infiltrating the asphalt layer and causing crack expansion. Next, alligator cracking indicates that the asphalt base cannot handle the pressure of traffic. To address the issue, the subgrade must be fixed and the foundation strengthened. Low severity alligator are implicated in the majority distress survey. Cracking, filling and sealing are available as temporary solution. Crack sealing and filling can help prevent further damage until extensive repairs are made. To repair pavement, a section is removed with fresh material. Patch like those in figure 4.3 are considered fault if they work flawlessly. A structural or non-structural overlay is used to remove them from the surface. Ensure the patch is made correctly and free of defect before installing it. Figure 5.4 shows the two-stitching technique for repairing and improving crack in concrete pavement. Cross-stitching involves gluing and gluting the stored tie bar into holes, while slot stitching involves gluting the formed tie bar into slots carved across joint. These techniques are effective in various conditions and provide idea for when to use them.
For conclusion, the PCI for Jalan, Parit, Sempadan, Laut is between 51 to 81. It does not require an immediate construction. There are 4 recommended treatments for this road, which are crack filler, filling, sealing, skin patching and also cross and slot stitching. The government and involved parties must take a close attention on how to build a proper road. In a nutshell, the government and the parties involved must take road damage seriously to ensure the safety of Malaysian users' road.